Looking for a battery bank strong enough to charge your laptops, your switches, your phones, and more? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the SIXTHGU 20,000 mAh power bank. This is a power bank with 200 watts of max output, so it's powerful. And as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SIXTHGU 20K mAh power bank right here, 200 watts of max output. This packaging looks super nice right here. Very cool. Well, let's open it up. Inside the box, you're going to have your warranty card right here. You're going to have your user manual right here, which is just going to explain part of the max outputs and everything and charging the device and just how to get the most out of your 20K power bank. This 240 watt charging cable right here, USB-C to C. Super nice that this is included. Some super cool stickers, look at them. Nice. And the power bank itself, this is what you guys came for. Let's go ahead and peel that off. We know you love to see it. Right here we got the SIXTHGU logo right here on the front. Branding right there is very nice. That sounds great. Super clean, sleek device and design right here. We got two USB-Cs and a USB-A up on top. And right here, when it comes to the screen, you'll be able to tap this button right here. Tap it once, that should turn it on. Gives you everything you need to know. How much output is coming out of everything, how much of the battery is left. And to turn it off, you're just gonna click it twice. Very nice. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing set up and try it out. This is the SIXTHGU 3-port 20,000 mAh portable charger with 200 watts of max output, 200 watts of total output workstation. It's delivering a true 200 watt combined output to power laptops, tablets, and phones simultaneously, ensuring uninterrupted productivity throughout your business day. Supports PD 3.1 and QC 4.0 high-speed charging protocols. Flight-friendly, ready 20K power. It's designed to comply with TSA regulations. And it's about the size of a can of soda, so about 12 ounces. And it's easy to go through security checks, so it's no burden to the flight. 140 watts of max high-speed charging, up to 140 watts of powerful output when paired with a 5A cable, enabling rapid laptop charging. Power a 16-inch MacBook Pro or an M4 Pro to 50% in just 28 minutes. And with the smart digital monitoring, you can see real-time displays of input and output power and remaining power and estimated charging time, so it gives you precise control of your device status. And when it comes to things like a warranty, guess what? They've got you covered. 18-month worry-free warranty and dedicated customer support, so you can enjoy hassle-free charging and reliable support. So SIXTHGU has everything you need to power your devices and keep you going throughout the day, no matter what your journey is. I gotta say, guys, great job. This is our first time working with SIXTHGU, and this thing is just so awesome. Having the 3 outputs, being able to do 200 watts, and having 20,000 mAh is just... it's chef's kiss, for real. This thing is such a good travel companion. But we want to give a huge shout out to SIXTHGU for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.